Welcome back to TechVibes. Today we're fixing PS5 install error CE-107880-4 and CE-108862-5 step by step. Place your PS5 on a flat surface and make sure the PS5 is fully powered on. Start by checking if the PS5 is stuck during a game install or update. Cancel the download on the PS5 so we can restart the process cleanly. Now highlight the same game on the PS5 and press Options. Choose Delete on the PS5 to remove the incomplete install package. Don't worry, this won't delete your PS5 saved data. Now reboot the PS5 by holding the PS5 power button until it fully shuts down. Wait for the PS5 light to turn off completely. Unplug the PS5 power cable from the back of the PS5. Leave the PS5 unplugged for 30 seconds to clear cached power. Plug the PS5 cable back into the PS5 securely. Power the PS5 back on by pressing the PS5 power button. Once the PS5 boots up, open Settings on the PS5. Go to Network to check if the PS5 internet connection is stable. Select Test Internet Connection on the PS5. Make sure the PS5 shows a good download and upload speed. If the PS5 is slow, move the PS5 closer to the router. Or plug the PS5 into Ethernet for the most stable connection. Now return to the home screen on the PS5. Start reinstalling the game on the PS5. Let the PS5 prepare the download for a few seconds. If the PS5 still shows CE-107880-4, open Settings again. Go to Storage on the PS5. Select Console Storage on the PS5. Check how much free space the PS5 has available. If the PS5 is almost full, delete and use games on the PS5. Remove large files until the PS5 has at least 30 GB free. Now retry the installation on the PS5. If the error comes back, we'll rebuild the PS5 database. Turn off the PS5 completely. Press and hold the PS5 power button. Keep holding until the PS5 beeps twice to enter safe mode. Connect your PS5 controller using the PS5 USB cable. Choose Option 5, Rebuild Database, on the PS5. Confirm the rebuild to let the PS5 optimize its files. This process scans and repairs the PS5 storage system. When the PS5 restarts, go back to your game. Try reinstalling the game onto the PS5 once again. If the PS5 installs normally, the error is fixed. If not, open Settings again on the PS5. Go to System on the PS5. Select System Software on the PS5. Choose System Software Update and Settings. Update the PS5 to the latest version. Let the PS5 download and install the update fully. After updating, restart the PS5 one more time. Now return to the game install screen on the PS5. Begin the installation again on the PS5. If the PS5 still shows CE-108862-5, go back to safe mode. Select Option 3. Update System Software on the PS5. Choose Update using Internet to refresh PS5 firmware. After the update, restart the PS5 normally. Try installing your game again on the PS5. Most PS5 consoles complete the install successfully after this. If the PS5 still refuses to install, check the PS5 storage for errors. You may rebuild database on the PS5 if needed. Once the PS5 completes all scans, attempt the install again. Your PS5 should now install without CE-107880-4 or CE-108862-5 errors. Thanks for watching TechVibes. Your PS5 is now fixed and ready to play.